Do you like pineapple on a pizza? The creation of the Hawaiian pizza dates back to 1962. Sotirios Panopoulos, a Greek cook who migrated to Canada, is credited with first introducing the pineapple topping to pizza. Panopoulos was inspired to add toppings like pineapple, bacon, and ham to his pizzas due to his experiences with Chinese dishes, which are known for often mixing sweet and savory flavors. The Hawaiian pizza name comes from the Hawaiian Pineapple Company's brand of canned pineapples, which were favored by Panopoulos for use in his recipes. While the flavor combination was initially quite unpopular, its acceptance into mainstream culture has steadily increased in the decades since its inception. Pizza purists like celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay have derided the combination, while the president of Iceland, Gudni Thorlacius Johannesson, caused controversy in 2017 when he publicly joked about banning pineapples on pizza. On the other side are those like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson who champion pineapple and ham pizza as his jam. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau took to Twitter to say that he stands behind the delicious Southwestern Ontario creation. So, pineapple on your pizza. Yay or nay?